peach during pregnancy?
Is it safe to eat peaches during pregnancy? Yes, peaches can be consumed during pregnancy as it is a good source of vitamin C, which is necessary for the development of the fetus. It helps with the growth and formation of bones, teeth, and other important tissues. The fibers in peaches help the digestive system of the pregnant woman. What are the benefits of eating peaches during pregnancy? Rich in dietary fiber. Pregnant women can face the problem related to their digestive systems. However, fiber helps to improve the digestion and gastrointestinal problems like constipation. Low in calories. Peaches are low in calories and high in nutrients. Therefore, this fruit helps to reduce unnecessary and excessive fats and keeps you away from gaining excessive weight during pregnancy. Helps in maintaining electrolytic balance. An expecting mother needs to have electrolytes in the right concentration. Peach is an excellent source of vitamin C. It is perhaps one of the major reasons to have peaches in your diet plan. Vitamin C helps the growth and the development of the baby. Aids in digestion. As already stated, due to a good amount of fiber content in the peaches, it helps to improve the digestive system of a pregnant woman. Reduces the risk of anemia. Vitamin C is essential for iron absorption. Being rich in vitamin C, peaches helps to bring down the chances of anemia during pregnancy. Boosts immunity of mother and child. Peaches are rich in beta-carotene as well, which helps to boost the immunity of the mother and unborn baby. Rich in folic acid. It is an essential component for the development of the fetus during the first stage of the pregnancy. Peaches are a rich source of folic acid too. Natural detox. Peaches detoxifies your body and makes it a better place for your baby to grow. It really helps in maintaining the health of the baby. Helps to relax muscles. Magnesium is another important mineral that prevents muscle cramps and helps muscles to relax. Peaches are a great source of magnesium. Peaches are rich in vitamin A. It is necessary to have vitamin A because it helps the baby's embryonic growth. Also, for mother, it helps with the postpartum tissue repair. Helps to maintain the strength and integrity of bones. Peaches are a good source of phosphorus, which is essential for the strength and integrity of bones. How to incorporate peaches in pregnancy diet. Peaches can be added as a topping for milk or cereals. A banana and peach milkshakes can be a great filling drink. You can make smoothies with them. Subscribe Nature's Basket and click on the notification bell for more amazing videos.